What's going on, everybody? I want to say thank you to everyone who showed up to the live stream earlier. If you weren't there, you missed out. Make sure to catch the next one. Should be Monday, sometime around 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern, going into the market close. It's a great opportunity to kind of ask questions about AMC, especially if you're not yet invested. If something's holding you back and you just want an answer, it's a very good place to be. So make sure to catch us live at that time. And look, guys, my brother, he sent me an interview between Jim Cramer and somebody else, and it's very obvious that Jimmy Boy is a little bit salty when it comes to Wall Street bets and all these subreddits surrounding these meme stocks, right? Now, I know that Jim Cramer understands what's going on with the stock market. He's no stranger to things like investing, and I think he might just feel a little bit left out. So if you want to tweet at him, if you want to hit at him and say, hey, Jimmy, if you want to join us, and make him feel welcome, because I think that's really what's driving his saltiness there. But look, in this video, let's get through this intro now. I mean, it's already a minute in. In this video, we're going to be talking about this. A lot of people might be salty surrounding AMC. A lot of people might not understand what's going on with AMC. You might have family or friends that's like, why would you ever get involved in AMC? If you want some answers to these questions, maybe how to talk to them about it, or share this video directly with them, this is going to be the video for you. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If that subscribe button is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, it's no doubt that AMC's got lovers, it's got haters. It's driving a lot of attention right now. So you might be dealing with somebody, whether it's a family, whether it's a friend, that doesn't understand what the fuss is about AMC stock. Why are you investing in AMC stock? What is a short squeeze, and why would it happen with AMC stock? Look, this can happen for one of two reasons. You know, a lot of people think and look at the stock market is a gambling arena, kind of like Vegas. You're just putting money down that you're going to lose, right? It's just the house always wins. This is a terrible way to view the stock market. You know, the stock market is an excellent way to grow wealth and set yourself up for the financial future that you deserve, okay? The people who view the stock market as a gambling arena don't understand the stock market. So if they're coming at it from that aspect, you know, they should do a little bit more research into what actually investing is. But with that being said, AMC stock, I would not consider it an investment at this point. It's definitely a trade because it is something that is a speculative and more of a technical play. So it's not necessarily an investment. So if you're looking to explain to somebody who's looking at the stock market that way, it might be a little bit more difficult. But if they say, yes, the stock market is a great place to grow wealth, I just don't understand why you're investing in a company that doesn't have fundamentals, that has falling revenue, that it's in a dying industry like a lot of people on the news and media. You know, if you don't have any idea what's going on with AMC, but you see all of the media out there saying that it's a terrible stock and a dying industry and COVID's going to ruin the world, I can understand where they're coming from and why they would think it's a bad idea. So let's know this about trading AMC stock, okay? It's not an investment based on fundamentals. It's not something that we can say the balance sheet looks excellent right now. It's not even something that we can say, okay, the stock, the industry is going to be growing rapidly over the near-term future. This is a technical and speculative play because it is based on short interest and a short squeeze. Now, we know that this isn't going to be something that's easy or happen overnight. Absolutely not. But here's what we do know. There are guaranteed buyers out there because of the shorted shares that exist. These buyers, right, because they're currently sellers, they've already sold the stock. They are obligated to go back in and buy that stock regardless of the price. Now, it can get a little bit tricky because they're not guaranteed to buy it by a specific date. So a lot of people might say, well, if it doesn't happen by this date, it's never going to happen. That's not true, okay? A lot of things do have to fall into place for AMC stock to really squeeze and shoot higher. But those things can fall into place if everything works out as it should, and those buyers will be forced to buy their positions back regardless of the price. Now, what are the things that need to happen? A lot of things, and I've done some previous videos on it, so if you want more detail, you can go check those videos out on what it actually will take to trigger a squeeze. But a margin call. You might be unfamiliar with this term, but it is basically saying the lenders, everybody who has an interest in these hedge funds that have shorted AMC stock, will require that stock to be bought back so that they no longer have skin in the game. They no longer have their assets at risk. They can't do that. Okay, the lenders can say it is time to get out. You need to cover those shares. So when that happens, the hedge funds who have shorted AMC stock are obligated to buy it back regardless of price. So this is where the term diamond hands comes into play as well. And if you're willing to hold AMC stock, if you're not out there day trading it, if you're not out there swing trading it, you're holding on to that stock. You can pretty much think of it like an auction at that point, right? You have the good that's up for sale right here, and everybody else over here starts to bid. This is where the price comes into play. You're not selling. You get diamond hands. Well, the price is here. Well, I'll raise the price to here. I'm still not selling diamond hands. I have to raise the price to here because I have to buy it back. I'm not selling diamond hands. Until the price goes, it's off the screen now, right? It has to continue going higher until the people who are holding the stock, you and I, the retail investors who believe that we can see a short squeeze happen, finally say, it's time. Now, I know that everybody has different price targets and different price points in mind. That's okay, right? But they have to buy this. They have to buy this stock. There's a stock in this hand right now. There's a stock in this hand. They have to buy it. I don't sell it. If everybody else holds out as well, if I don't sell it, you don't sell it, price goes higher. If I don't sell it and you don't sell it, price goes higher. I don't sell it, you don't sell it, price goes higher. It is that simple, and it's that concept that's driving the community behind AMC stock. And it's a mixture of that. It's a mixture of the fact that, the potential is unlimited, mixed with the hope that we will reach that potential. It's not guaranteed that the stock's going to squeeze. It's not guaranteed that it'll squeeze this year, right? It is guaranteed that those shares will be covered. That's something that you can count on. Those short shares will be covered. That is guaranteed. But it's not guaranteed in a time frame. So it might be confusing to some people to understand that that's where we're coming from, that these shares will be covered. And if we can hold out and not sell these shares to the hedge funds that need it, we can take as much money from them as they have, right? Eventually, they will cover those shares. It's all supply and demand. There will be people who are willing to sell before you. There will be people who are willing to hold out longer than you. So it's all supply and demand. But if we hold out as long as possible, the hedge funds will lose all of the money that they have invested. Even if they're required to go out and sell those shares, right? They're required to go or to buy those shares back. We can absolutely bleed them dry. So yeah, whether I'm talking to somebody who's just looking for some reference or some help here on what's going on with AMC stock, or if Kramer's watching this video and can't quite understand what the whole hubbub is surrounding AMC stock, it's the fact that yes, we are hopeful traders, hoping for a short squeeze, and banding together knowing that we can make it happen and that we can provide ourselves with a once-in-a-lifetime trade. So know that moving forward, guys, believe in the squeeze. And he mentions Nokia in the interviews. Don't put your entire portfolio in AMC stock if you're not willing to put your entire portfolio in AMC stock, right? There's still a lot of plays out there that can be day traded and be swing traded. Absolutely. Diversify. Do everything that, is quote unquote smart, right? But know that the play in AMC stock is something, in the community surrounding it, is something that it's not going to come around again, at least anytime soon. So move forward knowing that we have your back, the bros, the apes, the ants, whatever you want to call yourself investing in AMC right now, we have your back and we are here together. Now, with that being said, guys, I think he mentioned there was it was kind of funny. this is the end of the video, so we get a little funny. But he's like, yeah, there's about 7 people in Wall Street bets. I think they just made 10 million names up for themselves, and they're just going back and forth with each other. Well, I don't know if that's true or not, but look, if it is true, here's an 8th one. I can't even post on Wall Street Bets or AMC or subreddits because I don't have enough karma on Reddit. So there's more than 7 people who believe in these stocks and who believe that we can really make a difference when it comes to hedge funds screwing over companies and shorting stocks like this and doing everything they're doing. There's more of us than there seems to be. So move forward knowing that we are stronger together. We are here for the long run. We are here to see this thing through. Share this video with somebody who needs to see it, who may not understand exactly what's going on here. Invite them to the live stream next week. Invite them any day of the week. They can catch it usually about 3:30 to 5, somewhere around in there. They can catch us live. They can ask any questions they've got. It's a great place to get your concerns kind of taken and everything you need answered. We can answer it there. Guys, if the subscribe button is still red, you're here 11 minutes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day. We're growing our portfolios together. Webull, if you're still using Robinhood or any other trader out there, any other brokerage out there, make sure to sign up for Webull. Use that link in the description below. Deposit $100. Sell those free shares. Buy AMC stock. Join the movement. And let's see how high we can squeeze AMC stock. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.